welcome back to my channel. Today I have here a new unboxing video. I'm very excited about this video today, and if you like videos with luxury unboxing, reviews, shopping and everything like this, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to post videos as often as I can, including travel videos as well. So let's get to this video. So as you can see, I have two Chanel gift sets. So this is a holiday 2021 gift sets. I guess like it's very popular thing right now. Everyone wants these sets and everyone's talking about them, and they like always sold out. You have to pre-order them, like so difficult. And I tried to catch them on Chanel website. It was only pre-order, and you cannot even pre-order. It's unavailable for pre-order, it says, and next thing you see, it's gonna says like it was sold out. So it's kind of like impossible to actually catch them. And the same thing on Saks Fifth Avenue website. So on November 1st, I like was just walking around near Nordstrom, and I decided let's check out in Nordstrom because I had never heard like they have these sets. So I stepped by in Nordstrom Chanel like counter and asked them about these sets, and actually to my surprising, they said we actually doing right now pre-order list, so we can just put your name for whatever sets you want. So I said yes, of course. I needed like, please put me on this list. So they put me on the list for Eyes On mascara set, the one over here, this one. And the second one, I asked for, I wanted hand and lip set, like this box over here, as you can see, but they told me they don't have it. It's already like even pre-order list already sold out. They got like a lot of pre-orders already for this set, and the only one with black so the black pouch they had, it was like the cleanser and makeup remover. So I don't really need cleanser or makeup remover, but I so much want the black pouch, so I ordered that one. I'm super happy actually that I actually were able to get it. I'm super happy about it because I missed it last year. I didn't expect them to be like sold out in October because I thought like, okay, it's a holiday set, so basically I guess you're supposed to get it after like Thanksgiving, Black Friday, or like before Christmas, but no way. They like literally sold out starting like October, the end of October. Then they first pop up online or in the stores, so I had no clue about that last year, so I kinda missed them. And this year I so much wanted, and then I found out they actually already almost here, and you can I just checked websites every, like, I don't know, several times a day, and it always says like it was sold out or like pre-order not available, stuff like that. So, and I'm so happy actually able to get it. It wasn't easy to get the sets as it appeared. I didn't expect actually that. So I'm not sure if my lighting is okay today, and I'm actually filming on a little bit different location that I usually do, because we kind of all about to move soon to another state, and all kind of on the bags everywhere and stuff, so that's why I have to like do my videos somehow. So let's just try to open this one and see what, actually I'm not going to break this set, I'm going to just do it like this. I'm so happy. I so much like this year's actually the box itself, it's really cute, and I so much like this nice looking ribbon. It's very nice and shimmery and so Chanel like. I so much like it. So let's open this first set, and this set is a hand and lip set. So I don't see price here, but as I believe it's about $80 or $90 because I paid $172 for both of the sets with taxes and everything, so it was like $150 something. And I know that Ice On is for $66, and this one is a little bit more expensive, around $80-$90. I need to actually check on my account how much I paid for this one, but it's about 82 or 92, something like that. So this is it. Look at this beautiful bag. It's kind of like a twill material and a little bit glittery. I so much like it. And this one is kind of like a stamp here, kind of like a hot stamp, because it's not like the usual, like you see it on Chanel bags. It's more like just a stamp like, but it's very good, like it's very well made, and it's not going to fall unless you like scratch it or something, but it's not gonna just fall by itself, and it's really nice looking. And you have here, it says also Chanel on the zipper pull. And let's open this up and see. I'm super happy that actually I got this set exactly because I love this lip balm, and I so much love this egg-shaped hand cream. These items I buy like all the time, then I run off them, I just buy new ones, and I'm super happy that this time I kind of like have this bag that I so much wanted, but I also just have some stuff inside that I also need, not like this cleanser and makeup remover that I never use from Chanel. So, and that's why I'm super happy that everything actually the way I wanted it in the first place. Okay, so this is this amazing lip balm. It's just plain white lip balm. So as you can see, it says Chanel here, and this Rouge Coco Balm 03, it's kind of like a number, and it's just plain white, and it's amazing. I so much love this one. It's already, I don't know, maybe third or fourth one that I have. I actually even already gave some of my I had like multiple of them, bought one day, and I just gave it away because everyone loves it. Like everyone, my mom, everyone like loves this one because it's really good balm for your lips. Okay, so, and this thing is my favorite. Okay, so this is a hand cream, La Creme Chanel one. So it's 50 milliliters one, and I so much like it. It's very comfortable, convenient to use. You just open this part and you just like squeeze a little bit, and it's very like quick absorbent and stuff like that. So I so much like it. I also tried the other one like this, the black version. So this was like white version, just like regular one, and black version is more like a lifting, more like anti-aging something, and I still have it and I love it. But this one I liked more because this one I first try, then I try a black one, and this one for me actually this one is better. So I like, then it's absorbed real quick and you don't have this stickiness on your hands. Okay, so what else inside this beautiful bag? So I don't think it could be seen much, but it's very soft fabric inside. It's not it's kind of like a matte, it's kind of like a satin but kind of matte one. I don't know, it's really far away feeling of suede, but it's not, obviously it's not anything close to that. So, and this is it. It's super light and super nice, and it's exactly like a perfect size for like a crossbody bag size, like camera bag. It's just like exactly it, and I so much like it. I think I'm gonna use it maybe during, I don't know, spring or summer, something like that. But it's gonna look very nice when you wear something light, like a dress or something like this. I don't think it's gonna look nice if you wear it like with some jackets and stuff, like winter outfits, but it's very nice. And it's super easy to put here your like everyone loves to do crossbody bag. You put like your chain, then you buy somewhere from Amazon for like I don't know, $7-10 usually I pay for them, and you can just put it like slide through it like right away, and that's it. You have already set up. Basically you don't have to cut anything or do anything at all, just slide through this through these things. It's actually, it's open, so it's not like stitches or something inside. It's open, so you just slide it through and you have your beautiful crossbody bag. Okay, so this is set number 1 and I so much love it. I can't express my feelings about this set because it was like a long time dream. I wanted these sets and I missed them last year. So I'm super happy that this year I actually were able to put my hands on them. So let's open the second one. I obviously got 2 sets because of the 2 bags. I can say like I really needed the mascara set or something, but I wanted to have 2 bags, red and black, both colors they have. So they have like 2 colors only for this collection. I mean, for holiday sets of 2021. They have this beautiful rouge. It's really like super bright red, and it's also the same twill like with some glittery stuff, and this Chanel stamp over here. And so they have these 2 colors. Last year it was the same 2 colors, and now still the same 2 colors. As I saw many videos, they say like it's a little bit different by the quality, and like this one's is better than previous year. So I can say for myself because I never had previous year set, so but I super excited about this year set. All right, so let's see. So the back is basically, I mean not basically, it's completely the same as the black one. The only thing different here is the color. It's totally the same thing, with the same hooks on the sides that you just slide through the chain and use your beautiful rouge bag. So I actually don't have any red bags in my collection, and I will be very excited to use this one with something, I don't know, with some black dress, summer black dress or something like that. It should look just amazing. Okay, let's just take out all the stuff from it. So this is the bag, still completely the same fabric inside, and look good, and I so much like it. So much like how it looks. I so much like all these Chanel details on them, and you literally see the quality of these purses. Amazing. And obviously this is the cheapest Chanel you ever like can get, because you know how much Chanel bags cost. If you like Chanel, you know it. So it's crazy how much they cost. So, and if you can like score the bag, like yeah, obviously it's not the same like fabric, then they do tweets, and this not the same like Chanel logo and stuff, but it's very similar. And for like $66 with like a mascara, and for like $80 and have these 2 guys here, it's really good option. So especially you don't have to do any surgery to these bags to put chain on it. It's just super simple, and this is gonna just work great. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so this one, actually the mascara that I wanted. This is mascara that I just finished to try. I had like small trial from Nordstrom that I purchased something online, and they send you like few trials, and this one was of this trial, and I used it a lot. I used it while traveling on my previous videos that I made about travel in Florida, and I used this one little one with me like all the time because it's just perfect, super small, and I so much like how this exactly mascara work for me. And it's called Le Volume de Chanel number 10, the black one, and I'm so happy actually I could get the whole size. I was already about to buy the whole size, the full size, but I then found out about the sets and that they have this one in this red set, so I thought if I could score the set, then I have mascara, so I don't have to buy it. But if I don't, I would buy it for sure. Okay, so, and the second thing here, let me open this one. It's like a primer for mascara, I guess. I actually can say that I'm used these things, these primers. So it's just like plain white, and there is nothing says on the sides. It's only Chanel logo over here, and over here something says, let me check. So lip base mascara. So it's a mascara base. So I don't know if I will need it or I don't. I will try, but I can't say that I'm gonna keep this because I actually never use it. All I wanted these 2 bags for my collection, and I got them. So, and I'm obviously super happy that I got them with some mascara, with this lip balm and this cream. I love all this stuff so much, and I'm happy to have them. I guess this is it for this video. I'm super thrilled, as I said already a million times about this set. I'm super happy to get these two beautiful bags, the black and the red one. They are adorable, and I can't wait to try them with my chains that I have from Amazon, like the cheap chains, but they should look just great on them. Alright, so thanks so much for watching this video, and stay tuned because it's coming more videos about some of my new Louis Vuitton bags that come in the coming days. Thank you, bye.